Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Hey, and I'm here with my first video, and today I'm not sure what makeup look I will be doing, but we just gonna go with the flow and see how it turn out. Let's get into this look, guys. Hey dolls, right here I'm just underlining my natural brow. Then next I'm going to outline it with my choice of concealer. Some people like to do both eyebrows at once, but what I like to do is just go one by one and just go with the flow. Now you just blend, 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 sweetie, blend. Make sure you take your time when you're blending. You don't want to be out here looking crazy. Now all you do is do the same exact thing you did to the other brow to this brow, and it should turn out exactly like the other. Now we'll be going in with my Beauty Glass Sunset palette. I got it from Wish. It's very pigmented to be, for the price. So it's not bad. But get into it, guys. This look is also beginner friendly because I'm not very great at eyeshadow. So I do what's best for me. And this is something easy. This is something anybody can do. So, just keep watching. Next, you're going to go in with the foundation of your choice. I'm going to use these two and mix them because that's what goes with my skin tone. So do whatever's best for you and what works for you. Next, you're going to blend that foundation like your life depends on it. Yes, you want that face smooth, honey. Next, you want to contour. Then after you do your contouring, you just blend, blend, blend. And, make everything look natural and cute. Next, I'm going to go in with that foundation brush I used earlier and blend, blend, blend that contour out and make everything look natural and beautiful. Next, you're going to go over what you just did, but this time make sure you get a brighter concealer than you used last time. Next, you go in with the setting powder of your choice, and you set that face, honey. Everywhere that you put the light concealer, that's where you will put the face powder. Next thing you want to do, you just get your brush and you blend, 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 blend. Blend everywhere so everything could just, come together. Blend out them harsh lines, honey. Your girl got her some wine. Next, I'm finna go in with my eyeshadow palette with the lightest pink they have and put that on my cheeks for my blush. Next, you get your setting spray and you just spray, spray, spray. Really get in there. Don't be too scared, Get into it, honey. Next, you grab you a piece of paper or whatever you have next to you and you just, make sure that stuff is dry and on fleek, boo-boo. Y'all see it. Next, you add that highlight, honey. Grab your lip liner and you outline your natural lip line. Next, you take the lip gloss of your choice, but for this video, we're using this color specifically. And you just pack that onto the middle. You do not want to leave it like that with your finger. You just go in and pat, 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 pat. Blend everything together. You're going to see the difference as you go. And everything will turn out right. Next, you grab your setting spray from earlier and you just spray, spray, spray. Feel the, y'all know how that setting spray do. It be feeling so lovely. Go grab that paper from earlier, booze. Here's the complete look, guys. Get into it. Well, bye guys. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, please. I will be back with another look, so stay tuned and be on the lookout. But yeah, bye dolls.